One of the biggest disappointments with these types of saucepans is the broken lid, which compromises both functionality and the joy of cooking. In this video, I'll share how to fix your broken lid without the need to buy a new one, which will save you both time and money. After several failed attempts, I subconsciously fixed it the next day. It was as if my mind had quietly worked through the problem while I slept. The first method involves reversing the way the stainless steel was placed. Then you add the knob and screw for a tight and secure fit. I must say, it's better this way, though it's not comfortable after having used it the normal way for so long. This step should have been the first because that's what I subconsciously faced. I was so much worried because the pot isn't mine. They belong to nature, so I needed to find a way to fix it, although she would never have complained. To tell you the truth, I broke mine in Takrade and I have never been bothered to find a solution to that. I never used it this way because cleaning would have been difficult afterwards. I realized after a careful study that a longer screw could be used to fix it like before, so I went to scout for one. Unfortunately, the one I got should have been a little bit longer for it to have worked. But I shall found another way which happens to be the best. Finally, I decided to take off the stainless steel and screw it directly, and that was all I needed to do. I know you are in a hurry to fix yours, but say thank you first.